Hey guys, this will be my last video on this channel because it's a failure. And it's my fault. It's because I can't put good videos up. So, I can't put good videos up where people can watch them. But, yeah, so this is the end. It's fun. I'll probably actually start another channel doing a bunch of RPG Let's Plays of computer games and other games, and, just good stuff. So, it'll be fun. Anyways, if you, want to follow me again, I'll probably be capital ALFRON, capital XXX, capital V, capital I, no spaces. Alphron 36, 36 to include the name of my channel. Thanks, and goodbye.